So you've finally chosen your next vacation destination and picked your resort. The next question is, how do you decide which room is best for you? They all cost different prices, and it is hard to choose what is worth your money by looking at a tiny thumbnail picture. Today we are going to try and help with that by showing you the different rooms available at Excellence Riviera Cancun, where they are located on the resort property, and what you get for your hard-earned money. Hey everybody, this is Nancy, and today we're going to be talking about the different room categories at Excellence Riviera Cancun. ERC is a great adult-only, all-inclusive luxury resort located in the Mayan Riviera of Mexico, about 25 minutes south of the Cancun airport. ERC has 440 rooms that are all suites, meaning every room, even the entry-level ones, have a lounge or seating area. The smallest and least expensive rooms are the junior suites, and they are large at 668 square feet or 61.3 square meters. We are going to go into detail on what makes up the junior suites and what you get for your money. I hope it helps to know what the least expensive rooms are like because it only goes up from there. Many of the rooms are very similar to this one, so it should give you a good idea of what accommodations are like at ERC. ERC has room key cards with electronic entry. There are no wristbands, which most people like. When you enter the room, you will see a large closet with lots of storage. There is a safe that holds a 15-inch laptop. There are bathrobes and slippers to use. There is a room service box for room service delivery and dirty dishes takeaway. You don't leave them outside the door. There is a large bathroom that has double sinks and Excellence Resorts toiletries that are pretty decent in quality. There is a jacuzzi tub in the bathroom that is big enough for two. Please note that the tub is open to the rest of the room. There is a separate toilet area and separate shower door, but the bathroom is only sorta private. If you're sharing the room with someone you're not really close to, you might want to keep this in mind. The rooms have air conditioning, there is included Wi-Fi, a ceiling fan, espresso coffee machine, an alarm clock with iPod connection. There is a garment steamer, not an iron and ironing board. Just be aware of this if you're not familiar with how to use a steamer. There is a hairdryer and a scale. And the scale is handy to weigh your luggage, not yourself. There is a fully stocked minibar with drinks, water, and snacks. This is topped up daily. There is also in-room wine and liquor. You have to leave the empty bottles, but if you manage to finish one, they will bring you another. There are 55-inch TVs, but at the time of this video, they are not smart TVs. There's a pillow menu that you can find on the app. You can change out your pillow to be more comfortable. There is also nightly turn-down service, which is personally one of my favorite things. Of all of the junior suite categories, the inside of the suites is basically the same. It is the balcony where things are a bit different. I'm going to pop up a resort map when I'm talking about room locations. To orient yourself to the map, the right of the screen is the beach. The orange buildings are the rooms. The lazy river is just off center of the screen. The spa is building 36. The yellow buildings are the restaurants. There is a quiet pool. This is a handicapped accessible pool. This is the club pool. This is the main pool where most of the activities happen. And the peachy colored buildings are the bars. Okay, now back to the rooms. Regular junior suite spa or pool view has just that, a view of either the Mille Spa or one of the resort pools. The balconies have a day bed and 2 chairs with a table, and it has either a view of the spa, which means it's located around the lazy river, or it has a view of the pool, which means it's most likely located in Building 6. Most people don't know that ERC has a few connecting junior suites, one of which has 2 double beds and sleeps 3, connecting to a junior suite with a king that sleeps 2. These are rare in adult-only resorts, and for anyone traveling as a group, it might be handy to know you can put in a request for it. Like all resorts though, they are never going to guarantee you'll get it, but it might be worth a shot. The next junior suite that is up in price from the entry-level one is a junior suite with a swim-up terrace and a spa or pool view. So these rooms are again the same on the interior and in the same buildings that we pointed out already, but instead of a balcony, they have a walkout terrace that is onto a pool or the lazy river. There's also a second jacuzzi tub on the terrace. If you have trouble with stairs or elevators, then this is a good category to look at. There are also junior suites with an ocean view. Now, like most resorts, they play a little fast and loose with the definition of ocean view. Basically, if you can see a bit of the ocean from your balcony, even if you have to crane your neck a bit, it's considered an ocean view. The best ocean view rooms at ERC are in Building 6. How much of an ocean view you get is subjective based on which building you're in. If you're looking for more space than the junior suites have to offer, then you can upgrade to the 2-story rooftop terrace suites. They are 1,060 square feet or 98.5 square meters, and they are on the top floors of the same buildings that we've been looking at. They overlook the lazy river or the pools. These suites are literally 2 stories with a staircase inside of the room that leads up to your rooftop terrace. Up there, you have your own private plunge pool, daybed, shower, and more seating. There are some beautiful views of the resort up on the rooftop terraces, and if you are a person who likes to rise early and have a coffee or breakfast outside while the other person in the room sleeps later, this is a really nice option. So far, these are all of your suite options without upgrading to the Excellence Club. Before we get into the Excellence Club suites, let's talk quickly about what upgrading to the club gets you, besides the room locations. Excellence Club looks a little different at each of the Excellence properties. At ERC, when you upgrade to club level, you get Bulgari toiletries in the room. These smell great. Excellence has a private lounge that serves snacks and small bites throughout the day, and it has an upgraded bar in the lounge serving more high-end alcohols. For example, the bars throughout the resort serve Johnny Walker Red Label, but the club lounge will have Black Label. Or the bars serve Absolut or Stoli vodka, but the lounge has Grey Goose. Excellence Club has a private pool that is oceanfront, and it is only available to those staying in club level. The club pool bar Cielo also has upgraded alcohol like the lounge does. Excellence Club has a separate check-in area, a separate beach area with upgraded beach chairs and bally beds. They have a concierge around the pool. There is a slightly upgraded minibar as well as upgraded in-room liquor. There is often daily petit fours in your room. You also get 1 hydrotherapy circuit per guest with an Excellence Club room booking. This is worth about $40 USD per person. Whether these things are important while on vacation, well, that's different for everyone. There are a ton of debates online about whether upgrading to club is worth it or not, and I believe it's a very personal thing. For our team of 7, some of us feel the upgrade is worth it and some of us don't. For example, 2 of us prefer the serenity of the club pool, while 4 of us prefer the activities, music, and swim-up bar at the main pool, so they won't use the club pool. One of our group doesn't care either way, but she commented that with a fixed budget, she would rather stay a couple of days longer and not upgrade, but with a fixed length of time, she might upgrade. This is just the tip of the iceberg on the debate about whether to upgrade or not, and the answer is whatever works best for you. There are a whole bunch of reasons why you may or may not book an Excellence Club room. Now, back to the club rooms. If you are not fussy on the room, but you want all of the perks of upgrading to club, then you have the option to book the same room types that we have already talked about, but those rooms will have a pool view, and they are located in Building 9. You can choose Excellence Club Junior Suites with a pool view, a swim-up, or an ocean view. Building 9 can be a bit noisy as an access road runs close to it, but I personally haven't found it to be a bother. If oceanfront views from your room are important to you, then you have to upgrade to Excellence Club level. To be oceanfront, you can choose the Excellence Club Junior Suite Oceanfront, or the Rooftop Terrace Suites Oceanfront, or the Junior Suite Swim Up Ocean View. The difference with these rooms is their location. Those are mainly located in Building 7 and 8. Excellence Club also has honeymoon suites that are 1,041 square feet or 96.7 square meters, or the 2-story rooftop terrace honeymoon suites that are a massive 2,080 square feet or 193 square meters. There are also 2 imperial suites that are 1,993 square feet or 185 square meters, all on one level. These are located in the oceanfront buildings and look out over the beach and the pools. These last groups of rooms on our list are the tippy top categories at ERC. There are not many of them, and they come with even more perks. Not only do you get all of the previously mentioned amenities of the regular rooms and the club upgrade amenities, you also get complimentary laundry services, a private wine cellar dinner, private transfers to and from the airport, one special jacuzzi decoration per stay, an iPad for use, and a barman service in your suite once per stay. This last bonus can be really nice if you're there with a large group celebrating something. If you book one of the 2 Imperial Suites, you can add to this list even more with unlimited access to the hydrotherapy circuit at the spa, a full kitchen with a huge stock refrigerator, and you get a day pass including transportation over to their sister property, Excellence Playa Mujeres. We have a separate video all about EPM if you want to know what that resort is like. As you can tell, the rooms at ERC are huge, and they have some pretty stellar amenities. The resort is not too large though, so as you can see from the resort map, no matter which room you choose, you are not far away from anything. There are 12 room categories at Excellence Riviera Cancun, and sometimes it's hard to figure out which is which. We all work hard saving for and then booking a vacation, and which room you choose impacts your holiday. We really hope this was helpful in making a decision on which room is right for you at Excellence Riviera Cancun. And if you have a chance, please comment below on what your favorite room is at ERC. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon for our Excellence Playa Mujeres food and room tour videos. If you are still trying to decide between Excellence Riviera Cancun and Excellence Playa Mujeres, then stay tuned for those. And just to keep things interesting, we are working on videos about the Excellence Group's boutique couples-only hotel named Beloved. If you are planning an anniversary or honeymoon, don't miss that one. See you next time.